Welcome! Today we'll learn how to perform synthetic division on a polynomial. We'll divide x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 2. First, let's set up our synthetic division. We'll write -2 on the left, since we're dividing by x plus 2. Then we'll write the coefficients of our polynomial in descending order. 1 for x cubed, 2 for x squared, 2 for x, and 1 for the constant term. Let's begin our first step. Bring down the first coefficient, 1. Now multiply this 1 by -2, getting -2. Add this to the next coefficient, 2, getting 0. For our second step, multiply 0 by -2, getting 0. Add this to the next coefficient, 2, getting 2. For our final step, multiply 2 by -2, getting -4. Add this to the last coefficient, 1, getting -3. The numbers in our bottom row form our quotient and remainder. The quotient is x squared plus 0x plus 2, and the remainder is -3. We can verify our answer by multiplying the quotient by x plus 2 and adding the remainder. This should give us our original polynomial. And that's how we perform synthetic division. Remember, synthetic division is a shortcut method for polynomial long division when dividing by a linear term.